Happy Halloween!
Hey guys, welcome back to Berries and Carrots. Oh wait, I guess my partner is busy trick-or-treating.
Whoa!
You scared me.
I would never miss such a spooky, delicious drink.
Today we'll be making vampire punch on this episode of
Berries and Carrots.
To make vampire juice, we'll take pomegranate juice and add it with some white soda and some lemon juice.
You can decorate it the way you want. Just to make our Halloween the best, here is our vampire punch.
Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And hold on tight while we come back with more fun recipes at
Berries and Carrots.
Who's that? Maybe all the cute ghosts are here for trick-or-treating. Let's welcome them.